In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code for Google Drive. If you need to share a Google Drive folder quickly, on a flyer, a presentation, or a sign, a QR code is a simple, scannable shortcut. Here's exactly how to create one from your Drive link, with a few practical tips to make sure it works perfectly wherever you use it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. Inside Drive, locate the folder you want people to access. Hover over it, and click the three dots to open the More Actions menu. Move your mouse to Share. In the sharing window, look for the Link section and click Copy Link. Before you copy, make sure the access level matches what you need. If the link is restricted to specific people, only they will be able to view it after scanning. If you want anyone with the QR code to open it, set the link to allow broader access. Once it's correct, copy the link. Open a new browser tab and search for QR code generator. Choose a reputable, Add-Light tool that lets you create a QR code from a URL without requiring a sign-up. Most generators will have a field labeled URL or website. Paste your Drive link there. You'll usually see a preview of your QR code right away. Many tools let you customize the look. You can adjust colors, add a logo, or change the style of the squares and corners. Keep usability in mind. Use a dark code on a light background, maintain strong contrast, and leave a clear margin around the code so phone cameras can read it easily. If there's an option for error correction, medium to high levels help keep the code scannable even if it's slightly smudged or printed small. When you're happy with the design, click Download QR code. Choose the format that fits your use case. PNG works great for documents and slides, while SVG is ideal for high-quality printing because it scales cleanly. Save the file to a folder you can find later. You now have a QR code that points directly to your Google Drive folder. Add it to your materials, and you're ready to share. For best results, place it at least 1 inch wide on printed items and give it some white space around the edges. That's it. Quick, clean, and easy.